Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a Michael's haul. As you guys know or may not know, I had won a giveaway quite some time ago and I got a $25 gift card. And I've been seeing so many people post that they're having their Christmas stuff 60% off. So of course, I wanted to take the opportunity, use my gift card, as well as pick up the rest of the stickers from Creatology for 60% off, you guys. So let me just show you guys everything I got. You guys see all these stickers? These were literally, I think, yeah, 60% off. I think they were like 90 cents, my daughter said, because I had her go pick them up. But look, you guys. And then I have some other stuff here, but let's go through these first. So I got these really big bags, and these were $2.40. And this is so cute, you guys. These are like the Nutcracker ones. So we're just gonna crack them open and see what we got. My wife hates when I open up packaging like this. She's like, why do you have to open it like that? Because I'm a savage. That's what she calls me, a savage. What is this? Oh, these are little swans, you guys. Look how cute. Okay, so we get a bunch of those. This is what it looks like. Oh, we have some glittery ones. Cute, cute. All right, what else? So we have this cute little mouse. And then we have the little ballerinas. Oh, these are super fun. I'm gonna have to like include some of these in my like prize packs from my Jingle Lills giveaway. The Nutcracker. Let's see. Look at this little ballerina. She's so cute and she's holding a little nutcracker in her hand. So you get a nice like variety here. I think these are like the little stars. Let's see what else we have here. So a bunch of those little glittery swans. There's some white ones. You guys, for $2.40, you need to get your butts to Michael's. Let's see. So we got pink stars. And then, let me see, pink stars. What are these? And these are just like plain white swans. So you get some white swans. You get some glittery stars in white, and I think there might be glittery stars in blue, or maybe not. Yeah, you don't get the little glittery ones, but you do get two kinds of pink, like a darker pink and a light pink. So this is like a decent bag of, how many pieces does it say? It doesn't say how many pieces. It just says 2 ounces of foam stickers. Okay. So we're going to put these back because I'm going to probably end up putting them somewhere else anyway. So now they won't fit back in the bag the way they the way they came in. Okay. Like, this bag is just not big enough. But they were packaged perfectly fine, Lily. Before you open the bag like an animal. Okay, so we have that. Then we have these cute little polar bears. You get 12 pieces. Why don't they say how many pieces this has? What the heck? So this one, let's see if it's just, I think it's 6 and 6. So you get 6 of these. And then you get 6 of the little guys. These are super cute. Wifey saw my daughter walk in with the bag, and she's like, I'll be in your craft room in the morning taking one of each. You see how she is? And then we got the Santa Claus. She's trying to get to them 1,000 stickers in her collection. If you guys didn't watch my live, you would not have understood that last statement. But you guys that were there, you know what I'm talking about. So we got good old Santa. And then here's Santa holding a bunch of packages. Where are his elves when he needs them, huh? Do you see? You see this? Struggling. All his damn elves. Where you at when he's carrying all these packages? Then we got palm critters. These are cute. I like when they have them for Valentine's Day. I think I still have a few from last year. These are little reindeers, you guys, and they got little red feet. And you get 16 pieces, 60% off, and they come out to like $2.40. I'm not opening these up. These are stockings. So you get red ones and green ones. And these were 90 cents, I think my daughter said. That's like a steal. We got some gumdrops. Then we have some Christmas trees. So you get 3 different styles. You get this one, this one, this one, and this one over here. And I think I've seen this in my stash. So I don't know if I got this pack last year, but I think I saw that in my stash. And then we have penguins. I want to see the pink ones. Oh, look how cute, you guys. And it has little googly eyes. So you get the pink ones and the blue ones. That is super cute. Or like Ara says, super cute. And then we got this other variety pack that doesn't tell you how much you get, but you get 2 ounces. And we're gonna open it up. Let me see if I do this. Oh, you guys always ask me where I get my scissors from. I got them on Amazon. And you just type in Gold Rose Fatima scissors and they come up. I always get that question, you guys. Whenever I do like a craft with me and I show my scissors. So there you go. So we do. A bunch of these little snowflakes and stars. And then this cute little panda with like a little pajama hat. Let's see what else we have going on over here, because this is mainly snowflakes. And I'm not a blue fan, but for $2.40, you know, I'll be a fan. I like to let it snow. Isn't that cute? The little llamas. Oh, look at the little bear. I like the bear. How cute. Isn't that cute? Which one is this one? Oh, the little pandas. I like these. These are cute. I think I could work with them. Okay, so we have that. What else we have here? We got some ornaments. So you get some green ones, some red ones, yellow ones, some blue ones. I definitely wanted these because you can use these all year round. These are some cute little stars in silver and gold. And these don't have to be specifically for Christmas, you guys. You can put a star on anything. And I just like using stars to give it a little extra accent here and there. So I definitely wanted to pick that up. These are my least favorite, but I still wanted to pick them up because, you know, put a little poinsettia on anything. You get 12 pieces for 90 cents. And, oh, this actually has a little opening on the bottom. Sorry for the crinkle. But this one has like the little green leaves, and then I guess you get just the little center. That's a cute little variety pack. And then my daughter saw this and she was like, do you want it? And I was like, fine. She said it was like 29 cents. And it's a gift card holder. And yeah, so I guess it's like a little unicorn. Let's open it up and see what it's about. So how does this go? How does this go? Oh no, I guess you just, yeah, you just put the little card right here. This is super cute. I like this. And then I got some snowmen, and I think they're all the same. So you get 12 pieces. These are cute. I don't have those. I got some more nutcracker, and these are different. they're nutcracker, but they are different from these. Like the little girl has more of a purpley dress. And then we got the mouse. Super cute. And then we got the elves. And I think they're... Let's open them up because I think there's different. So you have like, I think the girl and the boy. So you get these two. But why does he look so crazy? Oh my gosh, there's so many glue bits that it's kind of making him look a little bit, I don't know, a little kooks. You guys see that? These are adorable. They're just so cute. I like these. And I think I showed you guys, oh wait, one more. These are snow angels, right? I think so, or just angels. But you get some gold ones and some silver ones. So I did pick up everything that I saw, well, through FaceTime because my daughter picked it up for me. I saw that they had there. And it was a great deal, you guys. And then I picked up 2 embossing powders because, as you guys know, Chandler Tools gifted me the heating tool. So I'm trying to play around a little bit more with embossing powders and learning a little bit more about it. So I picked up a pink one from Recollections, and it looks like this. And then I picked up a gold one, and it looks like this. It says clear gold. So these are the 2 powders that I got. And then, you guys, I have the worst cut, and I hope you guys can't see it on camera, but I have the worst cut on my fingers because my skin just got so dry. But anyway, and the last thing I picked up was this Brilliance pigment ink in Moonlight White. I'm new to the embossing world, so I don't know if this is going to work to emboss, but if it is, let me know down below. Which one should I pick up? I know I should get that Versa ink, but they didn't have it. I'm going to order it on Amazon. But I picked up this one, you guys. And yeah, that is my Michaels haul. What else? What was I going to say? Let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, you know I love talking to you guys. It is super late. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and I don't know why I'm so awake. I have a problem sleeping at night, you guys. I'm such a night owl. I feel like nighttime is when I feel the most crafty. Nighttime is when I'm like, I feel like it's because the girls are asleep and I have like me time because they don't leave me alone at all when they're like up and at 'em around the house. So yeah, let me know, what do you think? Which one are you gonna pick up? Did you pick this up already? Am I late, you know, on the bandwagon? What do you guys think about these embossing powders if you've tried them? Give me some tips and tricks on how to emboss because I don't know how to do it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.